Detailing 101, Rinseless Wash. Rinseless Wash is a polymer and surfactant-based liquid that you mix in with water. In the bucket, I have 3 gallons of water, and I have my DIY Detail Rinseless Wash. The dilution ratio is very simple. 1 capful for every gallon. Now, if you like doing math, it's 4 milliliters to a liter, or half an ounce to a gallon, or 256 to 1 dilution. Once I'm done with the rinseless wash, I can mix it up with my legacy sponge. Now it's ready to go. But we want to pre-spray the surface. One way of pre-spraying is with a sprayer like this, or if you have a pump sprayer and a trigger sprayer, that's good as well. Instead of trying to calculate those numbers, 256 to 1, I'm just going to fill the sprayer from my bucket. You want to pump the pump sprayer till you hear this. It's exhausting the excess. From here, I'm pre-spraying, and the reason I'm pre-spraying is we want to encapsulate and engulf that dirt that's on the surface and start breaking it down or emulsifying it. It's going to start breaking down the dirt, emulsifying it, encapsulating it, and actually lifting it off the surface. From there, deposit the sponge on the paint with no pressure. We're just gliding it along the paint. What the sponge is doing is lifting the dirt off the surface and bringing it into the sponge. The sponge, as soon as we touch it to the water, squeeze it out, it's clean again. From there, we need to dry the vehicle. If you're using a soap and water wash, you do not want to dry without using a drying aid. This is a rinseless wash. You don't need to rinse it afterwards. Take a drying towel and simply dry the surface. And there is how you use rinseless wash. If you have any questions, thoughts, or ideas, leave them below. We're always happy to answer. And we'll see you in the next Detailing 101 series.